So I'm out here this morning and I'm trying to get some shots of some white-tailed deer. Nice atmosphere. We got a little bit of snow yesterday, and I wanted to get them in the snow with their real thick coats. We have two out here to my left, some small ones, and hopefully they will come into camera range. And actually they're in range now, but the way I'm set up in my blind, I'm in a really tight space and it's really hard to get turned around. So I'm hoping they will come out here to my right. I'll have the side of the hill and the snow as a background, and also the green pine trees. So thanks for joining me, and hopefully we'll get some shots this morning. Well, the precipitation really picked up and the deer went in for some cover. I have a feeling they'll be back out soon. When it's cold like this, they feed as much as they possibly can. They do rest, but they like to be up and browsing to keep that energy. And so I'm going to wait it out for a while. I've got some coffee. I have a little snack. So I'm just going to sit out here and enjoy the snow. Wait for some more deer. So the precipitation has let up a little bit, and sure enough, they're back out in the field feeding. So I am hoping that they come a little closer. The light is pretty good right now, and just hoping for that shot. Patience is the key. So the deer didn't cooperate too well this morning. I even tried stalking a few. So I decided to come over here and shoot some small birds. The dark-eyed juncos, they like to feed along the ground. So what I'm trying to do is get a blurry foreground, and then obviously the bird, and then a nice bokeh in the background. So I have my tripod set up really, really low, and just trying to shoot right across the surface of the snow, and we'll see how that works out. Well, I got a few shots of some small birds, and hopefully you enjoy those as well. And maybe a couple of deer shots will turn out where I can show them to you. And I'm also going to show you the settings for all the shots that I'm going to display in the video. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's a short video, but I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, take care.